Shredding the mystery. The many uses of shred. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of the English language and explore a word with multiple meanings, shred. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of how to use this versatile term. When we think of shred, many of us might think of a small piece or fragment of something that has been torn, cut, or broken. For instance, a shred of paper means a small torn piece of paper. Shreds of evidence refers to tiny bits of information that can be used to prove something. Imagine tearing a piece of paper into multiple tiny pieces. Each of those pieces can be referred to as a shred. Moving on, shred can also be a verb. As a verb, it means to cut or tear something into small, thin pieces. Examples include, she shredded the document to maintain confidentiality. Chefs often shred lettuce or cabbage for salads. It's often associated with ensuring the destruction of sensitive documents or preparing certain food items. You might also hear shred used informally or as slang, especially in the world of sports or music. In snowboarding or skateboarding, when someone says they're going to shred, it means they're going to perform really well or show off their skills. In music, a guitarist might shred on the guitar, meaning they're playing a fast, complex guitar solo. So, if someone tells you they can shred, you might want to ask them if they mean on a guitar, a skateboard, or with a pair of scissors. The English language is full of colorful idioms and expressions. Shred finds its way into a few of them. Not a shred of evidence means there's absolutely no evidence. Shred someone to pieces is a figurative way of saying harshly criticize or tear apart someone verbally. Idioms add flavor to the language, and shred certainly contributes its fair share. And there you have it. From tearing up paper to rocking out on a guitar, shred has found its way into many corners of the English language. We hope this video has shredded any confusion you might have had about the term. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the richness of the English language.